Telegram People Nearby feature. What happened and what to do instead? You are looking for Telegram's People Nearby feature and you simply cannot find it anywhere. You are not doing anything wrong, the feature is genuinely gone. In the next 2 minutes, I will explain exactly what happened and show you every legitimate way to connect with people on Telegram right now. Let us get into it. Welcome back, I am Daniel, and today I am giving you the full honest truth about Telegram's People Nearby feature and what replaced it in 2026. Let us go. Here is the truth most videos are not telling you. Telegram officially and permanently removed the People Nearby feature in September 2024. Pavel Durov, Telegram's founder, confirmed this removal personally. The feature was used by less than 0.1% of Telegram's total users, and had become heavily exploited by bots and scammers who were using it to target real users with fake profiles and spam messages. To protect the community, Telegram shut it down completely with no plans to bring it back. So if you watched an older tutorial showing you where to find it, that tutorial is outdated and the steps no longer apply. Telegram confirmed they are working on a replacement feature called Businesses Nearby, which will allow verified local businesses to be discoverable by location. But this is specifically for businesses, not individual users, and has not fully rolled out globally as of 2026. So here are the legitimate ways to connect with new people on Telegram right now. Method 1. Join public groups and channels related to your interests. This is the most effective way to meet people on Telegram in 2026. Tap the search icon at the top of your Telegram home screen and type any topic you are interested in: fitness, gaming, travel, business, music, anything. Switch the filter to groups or channels and browse through the results. Join ones that interest you, participate in discussions, and you will naturally connect with people who share your interests. Method 2. Search by username. If someone gives you their Telegram username, you can find them directly. Tap the search icon and type their exact username. Their profile will appear and you can tap message to start a conversation instantly without needing their phone number. Method 3. Use the QR code feature. Telegram gives every user a personal QR code. If you are meeting someone in person, go to your profile, tap your QR code icon and let them scan it with their phone. They will be added directly to your contacts without any phone number exchange. Method 4. Join location-based groups manually. Many cities, universities, neighborhoods, and communities have their own public Telegram groups. Search your city name or area in the Telegram search bar and look for local community groups. These are the closest alternative to the old People Nearby feature for meeting people in your specific area. Method 5. Share your personal Telegram link. Every Telegram account has a unique link in the format me/your username. Share this link on your other social media profiles, WhatsApp, Instagram, or wherever you are active, and people can tap it to message you directly on Telegram. Pro tip: when joining public groups to meet new people, always protect your privacy first. Go to Telegram settings, tap privacy and security, and make sure your phone number is set to nobody so strangers in public groups cannot see your personal number. Set your last seen to my contacts only as well. These two simple settings let you connect freely while keeping your personal information completely private. So to recap, People Nearby was permanently removed in September 2024. To meet people on Telegram today, use public groups and channels, search by username, use QR codes, find local community groups, or share your personal Telegram link. All of these are official, safe, and working perfectly right now. If this video helped clear things up, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest Telegram tutorials every week. Did you know People Nearby had already been removed? Drop your answer in the comments, I would love to know. It has been Daniel, see you in the next one.